Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a topic that I get asked about a lot: traveling solo. I know that for some people, the idea of traveling alone can be daunting and intimidating. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. In fact, traveling solo can be an incredibly rewarding and fulfilling experience. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to travel solo and never feel alone. Let's get started. 1. Join a group tour. One of the easiest ways to travel solo and never feel alone is to join a group tour. There are countless tour companies out there that offer group tours to destinations all over the world. By joining a group tour, you'll be traveling with a group of like-minded individuals who share your love of travel. Plus, you'll have a tour guide who can show you all the best sights and attractions in the destination you're visiting. Group tours can be a great way to meet new people and make new friends, all while exploring a new place. 2. Stay in a hostel. Another great way to travel solo and never feel alone is to stay in a hostel. Hostels are a great option for solo travelers because they offer affordable accommodations and a social atmosphere. Many hostels have common areas where guests can hang out and meet each other, such as a lounge or a kitchen. Staying in a hostel can be a great way to meet other travelers and make new friends. Plus, hostels often offer organized activities and tours, which can make it easy to explore the destination you're visiting. 3. Take a class or workshop. If you're interested in learning a new skill or trying something new, taking a class or workshop while you're traveling solo can be a great way to meet people. Whether it's a cooking class, a language class, or a dance workshop, taking a class can be a fun and rewarding experience. Plus, you'll be surrounded by other people who share your interests, which can make it easy to strike up a conversation and make new friends. 4. Use social media. Finally, using social media can be a great way to connect with other travelers and never feel alone. There are countless travel groups and communities on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. By joining these groups, you'll be able to connect with other travelers who are also exploring the destination you're visiting. You can ask for advice, share tips, and even meet up with other travelers in person. Social media can be a powerful tool for connecting with others and making new friends while traveling solo. So there you have it, 4 ways to travel solo and never feel alone. Whether you choose to join a group tour, stay in a hostel, take a class, or use social media, there are plenty of ways to make new friends and connect with others while traveling solo. I hope you found these tips helpful. If so, please subscribe. If you have any other tips for traveling solo, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.